I have a confession to make. I use AI in my email marketing. Okay, this might not surprise you, but here's my real dirty little secret. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I let ChatGPT write my email as me. And listen, every single time, the email's fine, but I don't like it. It doesn't sound like me. It doesn't quite land the way I want it to. And that's how I know that I've let AI lead instead of support. In 2026, I refuse to join the singularity. I'm reclaiming my humanity, and you can too. AI should not replace your strategic mind or your creative voice. It can clarify and sharpen the thinking you already bring to the table. In 2026, we are not outsourcing judgment. We are not abdicating our creativity. And we definitely will not be letting AI decide what matters. Today, I want to show you how we actually use AI in email marketing at Email Mavens when we're doing it right. Not as a shortcut, but as support. Welcome to the Email Mavens YouTube channel, the place for winery owners and marketing pros who want to sell more wine online by sending better marketing emails. I'm Erica Walter, founder and CEO of Email Mavens. And let me start by reiterating the role that AI should absolutely not play. AI, you are not hired. AI should not play the role of primary thinker and writer, because this is where things go sideways. When AI decides the goal, defines the message, and writes before you've bothered to tell it the purpose of the email, your emails read generic, your strategy is fuzzy, and everything feels a little soulless. If AI helps you figure out what you're trying to say, you started too late. That's not a tool problem, that's a thinking problem. Stop telling ChatGPT to write your release email for your 2025 Pinot Gris. Start by thinking through, what is the goal of this email? Who is it for? And why should this matter to them? Jot down the wine's origin story, why it's special to you. The words of that customer who always buys a case on day one of release. Only a human can know why a wine or an event or a club opportunity matters. Stop expecting artificial intelligence to communicate meaning it was never given. Okay, calm yourself down, Erica. Now that I've communicated from the heart how not to rely on AI, let's talk about some roles that AI can play for your email marketing. Role number 1, AI as a clarifier. Give AI a chance to shine, baby. You bring the goal, the audience, and the stories. AI helps you tighten the message, simplify the idea, or spot where things are unclear or bloated. This is AI helping you say what you already know more clearly. Here's the key difference, okay? AI should help clarify your thinking, not create it for you. Role number 2, AI as an explorer. Something I absolutely cherish AI for is options. I use AI to explore subject line directions, tone variations, different framing angles. Not to pick the best one, but to show me options I might not have considered. AI is amazing at showing you possibilities. It even has opinions on which ones might be best. When you use AI as an explorer, it is searching a boundless knowledge base to surface angles and perspectives your own headspace might miss. But here is what is crucial. The ultimate decision still belongs to you. Rule number 3, AI as an editor. AI is great for asking, is it clear? Is it repetitive? Is this overly complex? Where might someone get confused? Set AI loose on your next email draft with questions like that. But AI cannot answer, is this meaningful? Is this on brand? Is this even the right email to send? AI can clean things up. It can't decide what matters. Humans still own that call. Here is what I hope my dirty little confession and today's episode has convinced you of. AI doesn't replace planning. It doesn't replace intention. And it definitely does not replace, could never replace, knowing your customer. But also, with love, using AI does not make you lazy. Being busy doesn't make you wrong. But letting AI replace your judgment eventually will. The wineries that win with AI will not be the ones that outsource the most to it. They'll be the ones who protect their thinking and use AI to sharpen it. If this helped you rethink how you're using AI in your email marketing, hit subscribe. We are on a mission to share actionable insights that help you fall in love with email marketing and send emails your customers love. So until next week, keep pressing send on your next best email.
AI.
AI, oh.
The more times you say AI, the more the stock price goes up.
Oh, really? I bet. Shoot. How not to rely. Dang it, I choked. Roll her back just a skosh. I put her on 10. There needs to be a 9.5 speed, JD.
Oh, sorry, I didn't write the app.
Dang it. Different framing angles.